Today, we're making something that is just pure comfort in a bowl. This beautiful dish is kayazan cow, or Burmese fried vermicelli, and we're going to break down all the secrets that make it so incredibly delicious. And you know what's so amazing about this? It's completely vegetarian, but it's absolutely packed with a savory, umami flavor. It just goes to show, you really don't need any meat to create a meal that is just completely unforgettable. Welcome to the Asian Food Diary. So what exactly is kayazan cow? Well, it's one of those beloved go-to meals in Burmese cuisine. Think of it as the ultimate comforting stir-fry. It's simple, it's hearty, and it's perfect for pretty much any day of the week. Now, like any great dish, it all starts with having the right ingredients. So let's take a look at the palette of flavors and textures we're going to be using to build this masterpiece. Okay, here's our lineup. Of course, we have our rice vermicelli for the base, some fresh cauliflower and cabbage for that amazing crunch, and Chinese celery for a bright aromatic finish. But the real secret? Oh, it's in the sauce. We're using light soy sauce for that clean saltiness and dark soy sauce for that beautiful, rich color and a deeper molasses-like flavor. And then some oyster sauce just to bring it all together. All right, I'm going to let you in on the secret to any successful stir-fry: preparation. Getting your mise en place, which really just means getting everything in its place before you start cooking, is what makes the whole process so smooth, so fast, and honestly, so much more fun. Let's break down the prep. First up, and this is key, are the noodles. You have to soak the rice vermicelli for at least 5 hours to get them fully rehydrated. A great little tip is just to do this overnight. After they're soaked, you'll wash and drain them really well. Then, you'll just thinly slice your veggies and crush your garlic cloves. Simple as that. Now, this next step might seem small, but I promise you it makes a huge difference. By pre-mixing your sauce, that's the light soy, the dark soy, the oyster sauce, and all the seasonings, you create this ready-to-go flavor bomb. This way, you can make sure every single strand of noodle gets evenly coated later on. It's the key to avoiding any bland bites, and it means you won't be fumbling for bottles next to a hot wok. With all our prep done, it is time for the magic. This is where all those individual parts come together in a hot pan to create a true symphony of flavor. Let's get cooking. This is my favorite moment in any stir-fry. It's that first sign that something truly delicious is on its way. That incredible smell is the foundation of our dish's flavor. We're basically infusing the cooking oil with garlic before anything else even touches it. Let's walk through this together. We start by getting the oil nice and hot. Then we'll toss in that crushed garlic. Once it's fragrant and your kitchen smells amazing, you pour in the whisked egg. The key here is to scramble it gently, just until it's set but still tender. We definitely don't want rubbery eggs. Next in go the cauliflower and cabbage. You just want to stir-fry them for about a minute. We want them to stay crisp tender, not get soggy. Then pour in that glorious sauce we mixed earlier. Just toss everything together until the vegetables are beautifully glazed and just starting to soften. And now for the main event. We're going to add the drained vermicelli to the pan. Just watch this. As you gently stir, you'll see the noodles soften up and literally drink up all of that savory sauce, transforming into this beautiful amber color. Keep tossing until they've absorbed all that incredible flavor. We are so close. The dish is pretty much cooked, but these final steps, this is the flourish. This is what takes it from just a good stir-fry to a really great one. Now for a step that so many recipes skip, making it your own. Before you do anything else, grab a taste. Does it need a little more saltiness from the soy? Maybe a touch more savory depth? This is your moment to adjust the seasonings and make the dish absolutely perfect for your taste. Once you're happy with the taste, it's time for the final layers of flavor. We add the Chinese celery last so it stays nice and crisp and provides a burst of fresh aroma. Then a generous sprinkle of black pepper for a little warmth. Give it one final toss to combine everything, and then you can turn off the heat. And there you have it, a beautiful plate of Burmese fried vermicelli, all ready to be enjoyed. It's a humble, simple dish that is packed with so much flavor, it's truly hard to stop at just one bowl. So I'd love to know, what's your favorite secret ingredient for a perfect stir-fry? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed making this recipe with me, please give this a like and subscribe for more deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching.